In this video we will talk about Japanese secret to look 10 years younger than your age, anti-aging remedy, how to look younger. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Japanese secret to look 10 years younger than your age. Japanese secret recipe to look 10 years younger than your age. This anti-aging remedy is very effective to remove acne and pimples, remove wrinkles, it makes the skin clear, glowing skin and clear skin. Get bright skin, fair skin and natural glowing skin. Skin lightening treatments are very effective these days, but this natural recipe makes your skin extremely bright and glowing. Drink green tea and apply it as a facial mask. Don't rub your face with your hands and try to use a foaming net when washing your face. Many of us apply products with our hands when we wash our faces. In reality, when we rub our faces, we strain our skin, which makes it less toned. To solve this problem, Japanese women use foaming nets, or foaming meshes, to apply their skincare products. Stick to a balanced diet. It's not a secret that the way we feel and look greatly depends on what we eat. The Japanese diet is super fresh and healthy, and if you want to follow it, you need to eat more fresh, unprocessed food, like fish, grains, vegetables, fruit, seaweed, fermented soy products, like miso, for example, and green tea. Eat moderate amounts of animal products. Quit eating processed, refined, and sugary foods. Try to maintain a high collagen level. Collagen is an important structural protein of our skin, and losing it makes us look older. Choose skincare products with camellia oil. Camellia, or tsubaki, is one of the most popular Japanese flowering trees. Japanese women love using camellia oil that is extracted from the seeds of this plant and is known for its ability to get inside the deepest layers of skin and retain moisture. Apply massage oil or lotion to reduce the impact of your fingers. Whenever you go outside, consider applying sunscreen and skincare products containing sunscreen. Wash your face with rice water. Rice is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect skin from early aging, soothe it, and make it glow. Give your face a regular self-massage. Right after gently washing their faces, Japanese women perform a facial self-massage with their palms. Try seaweed facial masks. Seaweed is known for its amazing health properties, and it's recommended as part of a healthy diet. It is widely used in Japan. But apart from just seasoning your food with some seaweed, you can also use it on your face to make your skin glow and feel more hydrated. Indulge in steamy baths. Japanese women make steamy baths part of their ritual. They believe this calming step before bed leads to more beautiful skin. Long, steaming hot baths enriched with oils, essences, or tea are commonplace in Japan and just may be the key to smooth, glowing skin, so it seems. Never forget sun protection. Tan skin isn't a priority in Japan like it is for women in the state. In fact, most Japanese women prefer not to tan, and follow strict sun protection regimens. Don't skip your nightly cleansing. You know how easy it is to just hit the pillow with a full face of makeup? You won't find that kind of negligence in Japan. Says Jan, Japanese women believe cleansing is the most important skincare step, and it's one that American women sometimes skip after a late night. Guilty. Give up the tan. Cleansing and moisturizing are the key beauty rituals of Japanese girls. None of the Japanese did not go to bed with makeup on your face, so the number one tool cleansing lotion for the skin. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.